how to change Instagram ownership. So if you want to change the Instagram ownership, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Instagram application at first. Go with the profile, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, tap on the account center. Now, let me tell you one thing, that in order to change your Instagram ownership, you need to change your email address or your mobile number. So you need to go with personal details. Under personal details, you can go with the contact info. Under your contact info, now you need to remove the contact information of yours and add the contact information of the other person to whom you would like to change the ownership. So you need to go with the email, and under email, you can go with delete email, and after that, go and add another email. In the same way, you can go back and go with your mobile number and tap on delete number, or tap add to another account, and you can add that mobile number to another account and change phone number. Once you've changed your phone number and your email address, then you can go with the identity confirmation. You can go with the account ownership and control, change your ownership, and you can go with the names. So go with the profiles. Under profile, tap on the account profile, go with name, change your name, and change your username, change your profile picture. And once you've changed everything, then your ownership will be transferred to the other person. So in this way, you'll be able to change your ownership by changing your contact info and your name and your username, your date of birth and everything. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.